Raindrops tap against the pane, a quiet song, a soft refrain. The world slows down, the lights grow dim, and dreams begin to softly swim. No need to speak, no need to try, just breathe beneath the silver sky. The thunder hums a lullaby, and all your worries drift on by. Close your eyes, let the silence stay. Feel the rain just wash away. Every thought that clouds your mind, peace is here, just let it find. The air is cool, the night is near, but in this space there's nothing fear. The storm outside begins to fade, inside your heart calmness is laid. No more wait, no need to run. The day is done, the night's begun. Let go now, just breathe in deep and fall into the softest sleep. Close your eyes, let the silence stay. Feel the rain just wash away. Every thought that clouds your mind, peace is here, just let it find. Close your eyes, let the silence stay. Feel the rain just wash away. Every thought that clouds your mind,